I really hope that last one's safe. I did that before. But it's something I went back and forth with myself. This, of course, gonna end up doing my hair. But it's the Tai Chi. And it has the diffuser and pick comb and this little sleeve or whatever, whatnot. I kind of sold on the color because I know sometimes when you use a dryer for real long, it the paint starts to chip and it's really tacky. I guess it's time to get in the dryer. I'm trying to. That's when it's got its use. That worn out look. Okay. This is like when I want to diffuse my curls. And normally how okay. Because I wanted to set up a hair routine along with face and skin, and I kind of got a 2, 3 in 1. Okay, because the hair dryer is for my hair, so I want to show how I go from this to straight. Okay. I should have. Oh. Okay. All right. Oh. Okay. So it's this Tai Chi, this the diffuser, this little comb, and then this the other little spew, and then the thick comb. So we're gonna see how it works. I mean, it uses. Works for your hair back there, just to keep that wet. Okay, so yeah, this came from one of the 3 mom and pop places out here, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. I should probably bleep them out, but that's what I'm talking about. But anywho, I got this for $30. From one of them Coochie Mama stores. But as far as my hair, let's go.